Really? What is that?
Warhead.
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 You gonna try a warhead for the first time?
Warhead.
Okay. Put it in your mouth.
What am I doing, Mommy?
Are you sure? Just keep trying it. It gets better. Do you think your brother will like it? Yeah. Does Jason like the warhead?
Jason.
Do you like it, Jason? Is it good?
I don't like it.
No, he doesn't.
You like it? Right.
Mm.
Do you?
I like it.
Thank you.
You gonna try it again?
This is too saucy.
Sour?
Mm-hmm.
You all done with it?
Hurts my tongue.
Oh, it hurts your tongue. Okay. You don't have to eat it. What is it?
It's a
Warhead?
yeah.
There, you had your first warhead. Just try it again. Thought you didn't like it.